Well, we haven't even got to the water, but walking along the path, there's a brick right here. I'm not going to take it out because it'll leave a hole, but it's a Brighouse brick. And we saw Brighouse only yesterday on our travels, so why not come and see what else we find in the water when we go mudlarking.
We've reached this little piece of water. I suppose you'd call it a stream or a brook. Not a lot of fast flowing water, but we're going to go in, so pop your wellies on and in we go. Don't forget, shout if you see anything. Ooh, I can see something. What do you think that is? Oh, look. Isn't that pretty? Can you see the pattern on it? I think this is part of a much larger lid for a tureen. There you can see the ridge where it sits comfortably inside the big bottom of the tureen. What a nice first find.
A bit of rim there, look.
Oh yes, Phil's found some rim. Look at that. Still got the glaze inside. Probably off an old proving bowl, I would say. What do you reckon? Am I right? Look. Is that what I think it is? There. Can you see? Oh yes. It's part of the stem of a pipe. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited. Oh look. Can you see there? What a lovely piece of blue and white.
Right, we seem to be in the middle of nowhere here, so I was just asking Tom, because we're here with Tom Burleigh today, because we're up in Yorkshire visiting, and he was telling me that just up behind us there's a terrace of houses and a public house, and they, for a long time in the olden days, threw their rubbish out the back.
Oh, good.
And the back is just a sheer drop onto this gorge, and that's where some of this stuff comes from. But also intriguing and interesting is there was a roundhead armoury at the top of this brook. We're not saying we'll find anything today, but there have been finds of musket balls, etc. as a result of that. So
sounds good.
There we go. Because sometimes you're in the middle of nowhere and think, where did this stuff come from? But of course, Tom's got a bit of local knowledge, so I thought I'd just share that with you. And while I'm on camera, I can see a brick down by here.
Right.
Haha.
Ah, yes. Let's have a look. That's Sheffield, I'd say. Plastic and something junction, is it?
Enfield, and then that looks like plastic.
Right, we will check that up.
Enfield Plastic Accrington.
I'll check it up and let you know on the screen. I think I found a bog.
What, a bog?
Bog. I decided to turn back. It was getting rather deep even in the muddy bit.
Oh.
What is a mudlark without a ball? And there is our first ball of the day. It's a monkey chewed up old tennis ball. Do you think that's a piece of pipe stem? Yes, it is. Ooh, perhaps that means there are more around. Yes, there are. I thought there may be, and there's another piece. Now, they're not very long, but they're pipe stem. That is a very low bench. As you can see, many moons ago, it's much higher on the ground. So much silt and sediment have come down that it's Buried the legs so you look like a midget.
I have to get up now.
Come on, you can do it. So you all listen to Phil creak as he tries to stand up. Don't make excuses, you have to stand up.
Yeah. I'm going to have to stay here now, so if you've enjoyed this video, please
Get
give us a thumbs up. And if you could share it with a friend, then that'd be great.
We've got a long way to go. Ignore him, we're carrying on.
Bye!
Incoming wet dogs. Well, an interesting old pipe. It actually looks like it can't be the handle of a shovel. I wonder what that came off. Quite lightweight, certainly not a shovel one. But what did you find?
Out there.
Oh, look. It's a bit battered, but it does have some nice blue and white on it. Oh, look over here. Can you see? I don't know if you can see from that distance. What about that distance? If not, what about now? Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Right, we're heading for some waterfalls. I think that's going to be quite a climb. Even so, we're hoping to find some interesting things as we climb. I'll turn the camera back on certain times. You never know, we might find something really exciting. I'll keep you posted. Yep.
It's a very rusty pipe.
Can you see that? Let's have a look at what it is. Oh, it's very pale, but it's blue and white. What's that? Oh, I don't know what it is, but it's certainly not coming out of the ground. Oh, it's a fill. This is an absolutely gorgeous gorge. A gorgeous gorge. I wonder if that's where they got the name gorgeous from. But you have to be careful. Can you see that very large square rock there? Because the roots of the trees have come through and broken up all this rock. And big lumps come tumbling down. So it's probably not the best place in the world for Phil to stand under.
I found a lump of metal.
Oh, bring us your lump of metal. It'd probably be safer over here. Oh, there we go. It's one of those. Anybody know what one of those is? If you know, let us know in the comments, please.
Another bit of white.
Oh, lots of white here.
Yeah. I wonder if that's got anything to do with sort of the area and the people that lived here, because white pottery would have been less expensive.
It could have been, yeah.
That's why we're seeing predominantly white pottery. I'm just thinking, you know, working class families, they wouldn't have had fancy plates not 100 years ago anyway.
Good theory.
Yeah, Tom's pinching me metal bit. Stop that, man! He has my metal bit. Tom made an interesting point. Looks very much like, you know, the bars on the front of a fire. Fire
yes,
grate.
it does, yes.
With it's all the coal back, let the air through. Looks just like that, doesn't it? See, it's rounded at the front, and this would have been the top finial, and it would have carried on down. There we go.
Well spotted. Can you see what's peeping through there? Let's pick it up and see if we're right. Yes, it's a piece of pipe stem. We're doing really well on pipe stems today. No bowls yet, but we will keep looking. What's this here? Oh, it's a little bit of blue and white. Don't think it's Cornish ware though, too smooth.
There's another bit in the water I saw a bit.
Aha, let's go and find out what Phil found. Oh yes, I'll use my grabby thingy for that. Quite deep. Let's have a look. Oh yes, that's pretty, isn't it? Very nice.
I found it.
You found it? What did you find?
The mandatory every mudlark.
Oh,
ball.
should we break it to Phil? Should we tell him while he
You
was
found
busy?
a ball when I wasn't
Yes,
looking.
you were busy chatting and we already found a ball.
You better than my ball.
It was a tennis ball, but it was an orange one.
Alright, I give in. Haha, but did your ball
Yes.
have next to it piece of pipe stem?
No, you beat me.
I win.
There we go, another piece of pipe stem. We're doing really well today on pipe stems. And down by here, don't know if I can reach it. Oh, it looks much more shallow than it is. It's a long way down. Another piece of stripy blue and white. Phil's found something. Have a look. Oh, that's a piece of the bottom of a jar. Very nice and oh,
Lying
look.
next to it. Look at that beautiful little handle, isn't it?
This is a handle of a pockety mug. Very nice, that will go in my mug handle collection. Go on then,
Right,
mad crazy fool.
I think this looks really interesting and worthy of a try. Caroline thinks it looks really interesting and I'm completely off the end. So there we
Yep.
go. If I fall and die, it's not her fault. I wanted that on record.
While Phil's looking there, let's have a look here. Isn't that pretty? There, do you feel better now?
Right, do you want to see what I found?
Go on then.
Right. During my intrepid climb, I think the climb was more exhilarating than the finds, but we found a rim.
Oh yes. Brown rim.
It's a little tile, I think.
Yeah, just a plain piece of tile.
Another rim.
Ah.
Bit of 1960s curtain rail.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Bit of pot.
Pot.
And
Ooh, look at that lumber copper wire.
that's a lump of wire I found for top. And on the way down,
Oh look. Little dinky piece of blue and white.
there you go. And I can say I've done it.
Well done.
I think we found somebody's coat.
And there's nobody in the sleeve. Could be the Pillsbury dough man. If you've lost your coat, I've pulled it out of the water for you. Come and get it. Right, there are a lot of trees down here. I don't know if we can get through. We will try.
Like that, look, you film from behind.
Oh, this is a lovely little pool. After that long climb, which was rather difficult and very treacherous because the stones are extremely slippery, but we made it, and Phil found
a bit with pattern on.
A little bit of pattern. All right. I can't see a lot in this little bit of the river, but we'll have a look just in case there's a hidden pipe or some medieval artefact or some round head armour. No, but there is a little piece of brown pottery. Can you see anything under there? I think we've spotted the swamp monster. Can you see his eyes peeking out?
What's Tom got? Has Tom got himself a t-shirt? Yes!
Cross hatch.
Cross hatch, here we go. Is he your size, Tom?
No.
No.
There's another piece of clothing over there. Let's go find out what it is.
I think we got a sneaker in town.
Yes, there's probably somebody running around with virtually no clothes on.
Ooh. Is that a pipe stem?
I'll find out now. Do you think that's a pipe stem? Let's have a look. Oh yes.
Yeah.
That's the longest one so far today. Very good, but let's have a look at this jumper, sweatshirt. What do you think it is?
It's next.
Oh, it's next.
I tell you what, this person had good taste. He couldn't keep their clothes on.
We got a next shirt. So if you've lost your next shirt
It's on the rocks.
and you're a size extra large,
Next to your crosshatch jumper.
then there's your shirt. Oh, what's that? It's a bit of a jar, stone jar. Oh, that's nice. I think it was originally a marble pattern. I think that's the bottom, isn't it? The bottom of the jar. Look at that. Let's have a look at this. Isn't that lovely? What's this? It's a big chunk of something. Not sure what.
Well, we didn't know if we'd make it all the way up the gorge, but we have. We found some lovely bits on the way, and I even got to climb a waterfall. And what a beautiful setting to finish on, this gorgeous, gorgeous footbridge. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, then share it with a friend. That would be great. Bye.